Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add watermark to the front of text in Google Docs. So get started. At first, open your Google Docs document. In this video, I will show add watermark in front of text. Now going to the insert one option, then click. Now click for watermark option. Now we show the interface. Now select from image and text. Now select from text option. Then insert text. Now type your text. Now select from a font style and click for bold option and choose color. Then click for in front of text. Now click for done option. That is. Now you can see add watermark in front of text in Google Docs is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.